Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a really cool product from our friends over at TesStudio. One of my previous videos I had installed these little blind spot monitoring system, like little modules that go on your driver and your passenger side. Well, TesStudio decided to take it up a notch, and this is going to be a fully customizable blind spot monitoring LED light bar, which is going to be pretty sick. So let's unbox this and get this installed and see how it works. And of course, if you haven't heard of TesStudio, they are an amazing store for all of your Tesla accessories, 3SXY, Cybertruck, Juniper, Highland, anything you can think of, they got it. So be sure to check them out. And this kit is going to be for the Model 3 Highland, the older versions of the Model 3, the Juniper, and the older versions of the Model Y. In the box, you're going to get connecting wires, trim piece removal tool, and your ambient light bar. The first trim piece you're going to remove is your triangle here and your rectangle on this side. These two are super easy, they just pop right out. Peel back your rubber trim here. You should see a clip right here that you're going to remove as well. Then we're going to remove this plastic trim piece right here on the inside of your footwell. And that pops right out as well. Now for the wiring harness, you're going to just insert it in the blue. And then you have your extra OBD2 port available. And also in your white. This wire is for the power adapter. The USB-C plugs into the module, and this piece will connect into the light. When you're installing this, just take your time. If you would like to take off your dashboard to make it easier for you, you can do that as well. In the numerous lights I've installed underneath here, it does help to take off your dashboard. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to leave it on and get this installed, and we'll be right back. Well, it doesn't seem to reach all the way to the side, so you're going to have a little extra room on the right and the left. So again, that's not going to go all the way across your dashboard. So on the right side, this is my passenger doors open, so the light is going to be a bright white. You can change the colors with your scroll wheel, your right scroll wheel. Now if you have the new Highland and Juniper, this is going to correlate with the color that you choose for your ambient lighting. And if you don't have those vehicles, then you're going to be able to choose the given colors here. So I feel it's a little bit limited for those that don't have the new updated cars, but if you don't really care, you're still going to get some really cool ambient colors. The red is nice. This blue is pretty great. Then you have your pinkish color, a purple, a cerulean, a orange, and your white. This ambient light bar also has a really cool feature where you're driving, and if you're accelerating, you see the red light right there moving. It's going to be moving as you accelerate, which is pretty freaking cool in my opinion. It reminds me of Kit from Knight Rider. I know everyone that's going to be saying this, making a video, is going to be talking about that, but that's literally what it reminds me of. So the harder you press the accelerator, the more the bar will light up. I'll turn my blinker on. And it goes red because there's someone in my blind spot. Then it goes back to green. Red as I'm accelerating. So all in all, it's a pretty cool product. Let me know if you think you'd get something for this car in the comments below. And like always, I have a discount in the description, M3 Jazz, to save you some good old money. Be blessed, take care, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.